For green industry news, this is The Turn. Live from the Turfs Up Radio studios in Louisville, Kentucky, with coverage across the country and across the street, also across the room. Live from the Turfs Up Radio news desk, I'm Steve Anthony. In the news, West Fargo, North Dakota. Doozan Bobcat North America announced a strategic equity investment with Einstein AI Incorporated, a startup radar technologies company located in Lawrence, Kansas, to continue the development of next-generation radar sensor systems for Bobcat Equipment Solutions. Radar will enhance equipment performance and provide customers with optimal productivity and the ultimate operator experience through sensor technology. Doozan Bobcat first announced a strategic partnership with Einstein in June 2020 to identify forward-looking solutions to help equipment owners and operators maximize productivity, efficiency, and safety through innovation and technology. Doozan Bobcat North America and Einstein will further collaborate to create next-generation radar sensor solutions to detect objects on job sites when using Bobcat equipment. The radar system developed by Einstein collects the object position data like range, azimuth, elevation, and Doppler information to provide real-time alerts to operators by incorporating a combination of MM-wave radar, sensor fusion, and artificial intelligence. This technology will enable obstacle avoidance solutions and future technologies that support autonomous operations. Doozan Bobcat's investment in Einstein AI comes at the completion of a Series A funding round. The investment agreement was finalized in December 2020. For Turfs Up Radio, I'm Steve Anthony. Now, with your Turfs Up Radio sports report, here's Ryan Breda.
Hello, Turfs Up Radio listeners. This is Ryan Breda giving you today's sports report. According to The Athletic, the Philadelphia Eagles are reportedly hiring Colts offensive coordinator Nick Sirianni as their next head coach. Sirianni has spent previous seasons as a Kansas City Chiefs assistant coach and 5 seasons with the Los Angeles Chargers. Continuing with NFL news now, the Pittsburgh Steelers announced on Thursday that the team signed former Washington football team's quarterback Dwayne Haskins to reserves futures contract. Haskins was released by Washington in late December due to his lack of production, as he was previously the 15th overall pick in the 2019 NFL Draft. That's it for today's sports report. This is Ryan Breda reporting for Turfs Up Radio. Your industry, your station.
Thank you, Ryan. Now let's turn to your weather across the nation. Here's Turfs Up Radio's own meteorologist, Abby Lancia.
Hello everyone, this is Abby Lancia with Turfs Up Radio, reporting your national weather forecast for Friday, January 22nd, 2021. We'll see some of that rain and moisture we saw in the south yesterday still lingering today on the Gulf Coast states, and now we have a new system heading into the country, and that's going to bring some snow to the Rockies as well as some rain on the Pacific coast and a few areas of the southwest, and we will see the system move from the west coast to the east coast throughout the weekend. Again, we'll see some scattered snow throughout northern Michigan and the Michigan Peninsula today, as well as the northeast starting in northern Pennsylvania, following the Canadian border all the way up to Maine. That is it for today, everyone. This is Abby Lancia with Turfs Up Radio, your industry, your station.
Thank you, Abby. That's it for the latest in green industry news, weather, and sports. To hear more and get the daily updates sent to your phone, be sure to download the Turn podcast on your mobile device. That's Turn for Turfs Up Radio News. For Turfs Up Radio, I'm Steve Anthony for the Turn.